How to completely uninstall Python from your PC or laptop. Open the Windows search box, type Add or Remove Programs, and open it. You'll see a list of all the programs currently installed on your PC. In the search bar at the top, search for Python, and you'll usually see two files: Python, the main file, and Python Launcher. First, click the three dots next to the main Python file, select Uninstall, click Uninstall again, and allow permission if Windows asks. The Python uninstaller will open and start uninstalling it. Once it shows Uninstall successful, just close it. Now do the same thing for Python Launcher. Click the three dots, uninstall it, confirm, and allow permission. At this point, Python is removed, but there's one important final step left. Go back to the Windows search box, type Environment Variables, and open Edit the System Environment Variables. In the window that opens, click Environment Variables. Then look for Path under User Variables, select it, click Edit, and check if you see any entries related to Python. If you do, select them and delete them. Do the same check under System Variables as well. Select Path, click Edit, and remove any Python-related paths if they exist. Once you're done, close all the windows, restart your PC, and after that, Python will be completely uninstalled from your system.